Yesterday, the fire fell. Today, I could not rise. I stood before the thunder, I watched the altar burn. I thought that after victory, my strength would surely return. But one voice found the weakness I had hidden from the crowd. I ran beyond the city till I could not hear them now. I sat beneath the lonely tree, I had no prayer to bring. I said, Lord, I have had enough, I have nothing left to give. You did not ask me for an answer, you did not tell me to be brave. You touched me in the silence and put bread beside my head. Feed me before you send me, let me sleep before I rise. Speak softly to the part of me that has forgotten how to try. Feed me before you send me, stay near me through the night. Before you ask me for tomorrow, give me bread for life. Bread for the journey, bread for today, strength for the weary, enough for the way. Feed me before you send me, let me sleep before I rise. The angel touched me gently, the fire did not return. There was water in the silence and a little bread to burn. I ate and lay down once more. You did not call it shame. You knew the body carries sorrow that the mouth may never name. Again you woke me softly, again you placed the bread. You said the road is longer than the strength you have left. You did not praise exhaustion, you did not bless my breaking down. You gave me what would carry me before you turned me around. Feed me before you send me, let me sleep before I rise. Speak softly to the part of me that has forgotten how to try. Feed me before you send me, stay near me through the night. Before you ask me for tomorrow, give me bread for life. Bread for the journey, bread for today, strength for the weary, enough for the way. Feed me before you send me, let me sleep before I rise. I climbed the mountain carrying the strength that mercy gave. I stood inside the hollow place and waited in the cave. The wind tore through the mountain, but your voice was not the wind. The earth shook beneath me, but you were quieter than it. The fire passed before me, still you did not speak. Then silence gathered around me, like a hand upon my cheek. Not in the wind, not in the flame. After all the noise had ended, you called me by my name. Feed me before you send me, let me sleep before I rise. Speak softly to the part of me that has forgotten how to try. Feed me before you send me, stay near me through the night. Before you ask me for tomorrow, give me bread for life. You were not angry that I was tired, you stayed. You were not frightened by my despair, you stayed. You did not call me useless when I could not stand. You fed me with your hand. I thought you would correct me, you let me rest. I thought you would replace me. You called me yet not with the thunder, not with the flame. After all the fire had passed, you whispered my name. Feed me before you send me, let me sleep before I rise. Speak softly to the part of me that has forgotten how to try. Feed me before you send me, stay near me through the night. Before you ask me for tomorrow, give me bread for life. Feed me before you send me, do not hurry what must heal. You know the road still waits for me, but first let mercy kneel. Feed me before you send me, then show me where to go. The voice that found me